He's right there.
Oh, there he is. Fly out.
No, not yet. Little birdie in here.
Went over that way. Whoops. Oh. Oh. He's up in the light.
I see him.
Come on, little birdie. Go out. There you go. You can feel the light thing right here. Go outside. There he goes. Go outside. There you go. Oh. Shit.
Doesn't want to leave.
Man. Huh?
Doesn't want to leave. You should stand over here.
Little birdie. Come on, little birdie.
You should stand over
Go
here.
outside right there.
You should stand. You should stand over here so he stops coming over this way.
Look. Over here.
He's not gonna see it.
Huh?
You gotta stand over here.
Look. Oh yeah. We'll open that door, see if he goes out. The way he came in, maybe. Come on, little birdie. Look. Look, there it is. There it is. You can go out now. Go, go, go. You're on the door. You're almost out. Come on. Oh, don't scare him. Maybe he'll notice. Don't get close. Go on. Go on. Go on. Oh, jeez.
Doesn't seem like he wants to leave.
Can we catch him with gloves or something? Oh, is that door open? Maybe he wants to go in that door the way he came in. He might have come in that door.
I got
But
the.
he's always leaving the goddamn door
I
open.
got the door open.
What?
I got the door open.
Is the door open?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Oh, oh.